Hi, and welcome to the Program Your Destiny course with Destiny University. Very excited to have you here. This is for helping you to get access to your best self, helping you become that natural social self underneath some of the societal programming that goes on in today's society. So today we're talking about number one, what are the tools of transformation that we're going to be using? So what is neuroassociative conditioning as pioneered by Tony Robbins? That's really what we're going to be going into with lesson one. And then we're going to be applying those tools in order to deprogram some of the pain bodies that Eckhart Tolle talks about, and then in actuality get to our natural self, which is our social self. So hopping right into it here, the introduction to our neuroassociative conditioning. Neuroassociative conditioning, or NAC, is what we refer to it as, is the transformational tool set that allows an individual to achieve a self-actualized neurophysiological state in consciousness as well, that social identity that we're going to be talking through. It is a systematic process of reprogramming the mind to get away from the negative neuroassociations, or what we call pain bodies, per Eckhart Tolle, formed by the restrictive moral frameworks of strict father morality and strict mother morality in general, as referred to in some of the academic research. So neuroassociative conditioning replaces these limiting pain-based responses with empowering neuroassociations, enabling an individual to fully embrace their true social identity, their true self, free from the pain bodies. By doing so, a person unlocks their natural intentionality and can fulfill their authentic needs and desires with confidence and assertiveness in a healthy way. The power of neuroassociative conditioning, or NAC, is about breaking free from the conditioned pain responses that inhibit self-expression, creativity, and personal fulfillment. So these pain-based responses are instilled during early child development through rigid moral expectations that constrain individuals to associate certain behaviors, emotions, and ambitions with pain and restriction, what we call a strict parent morality in general. Over time, these negative neuroassociations shape the individual's beliefs, habits, and ultimately their destiny. Through neuroassociative conditioning, an individual systematically deprograms their neurophysiological responses in terms of the negative ones, replacing negative limiting beliefs with positive empowering ones. And this process ensures that every thought and every action aligns with the person's highest potential, moving them towards personal fulfillment and self-actualization. So the role of social identity in neuroassociative conditioning is that one of the most powerful outcomes of NAC is the discovery and solidification of one's social identity. The social identity is the core of who we are, our natural self, in a interactive sense and in a deeply personal sense, as Eckhart Tolle would talk about. It is the authentic self, free from imposed limitations from strict parent morality in the form of different pain bodies. It is through our social identity that we define our intrinsic needs and desires, we cultivate our social personality, and we confidently and assertively act upon our natural inclinations in order to get those needs and desires met in a healthy way. When the pain bodies per Tolle of strict moral conditioning are removed, an individual gains clarity on their true intentionality, the natural drive that fuels purpose, ambition, and fulfillment, like Tony Robbins talks about. Rather than being dictated by external pressures, NAC ensures that intentionality stems from internal authenticity, leading to a life of effortless alignment with one's personal passions and aspirations. So the steps that we're going to be talking about through this course in order to deprogram negative neuroassociation pain bodies and then program and strengthen our social identity is going to be the following. Number one, we're going to identify the negative neuroassociations, the pain bodies that we do have. And that's per Eckhart Tolle, and we'll talk through that and how early moral frameworks have shaped neuroassociations, causing individuals to associate different things in a negative fashion. What we're then going to do is we're going to interrupt the pattern, as Tony Robbins talks about, and we're going to challenge those responses, and we're going to reframe them in a healthy way. And then we're going to create empowering associations, replacing those old patterns with new positive neuroassociations to self-actualize and get to the underlying, the true self of the social identity. And we're going to attach empowering meanings in doing so. Finally, we're going to condition through repetition. So this is like something that we have to continuously work at, continuously deprogram the negative neuroassociations, and then program new ones to strengthen our identity, to be able to take action on our natural intentions. And then finally, we're going to reach that integrated state of our social identity, meaning actively embody your authentic social personality, your needs, your intentionality, and in doing so, be able to act upon those needs without hesitation or self-doubt. And our true intentionality is really the seat of that self-actualized experience of life. And then finally, achieving the self-actualized neurophysiological state. By applying NAC, individuals achieve a self-actualized neurophysiological state, mental, emotional, and physiological alignment that aligns for peak performance, emotional resilience, and inner peace. In this state, decisions are made effortlessly and intuitively according to your own intentions. Social interactions are natural and fulfilling. Success becomes a byproduct of alignment rather than of struggle. And then confidence is inherent rather than externally derived. So ultimately, in the Neuroassociative Conditioning course, the Program Your Destiny course, the ultimate goal is for NAC is to liberate individuals from, their negative programming, their external programming, from the strict parent morality that, most of us have had access to in negative ways, and guide them to a life of true self-expression and fulfillment of that social identity that's underneath there, that best self, helping that to come out. Through this process, one programs their destiny with their intentionality, and in doing so, creates a reality that's not just ideal, but inevitable for themselves and their best self. So really looking forward to it. Having you go through the entire course is about 17 lessons here. And, this is all based upon Tony Robbins' work, and we're all grateful for that. On to the next lesson.